In this video, I want to talk about how you can claim credit back on Temu. So if you want to know how you can do this, you want to either use the app or the website, head over here and go to your orders. Now inside of here, you should be able to see all of the orders that you want to do this with. So if you're refunding, if you're returning or canceling any order and you're getting credit back, then you can do it from in here. So you want to find the order and you want to click on return or refund and follow the steps. Then you should get your credit back and you will be able to find it under credit balance. So that is how you can do it. And if you have some other issues and it's not with the order, then what you can do is you can go to support and chat with Temu and they can help you with the issue for credit back. It can be like price adjustments and stuff like this. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.